In this course, you have learned about the basic prompts in ChatGPT. Now let's talk about some of the advanced prompts. So let me create one. Let's say we want ChatGPT to write a complete blog post based on the topic. How to create an online course. Okay. So this will be our topic. Right. Now, the next thing is for audience. Or let me type the same thing in the notepad first and then I will copy and paste it. Okay. So topic: how to create an online course. For audience, specify the kind of role you want to play, let's say health coach. Okay, then we will ask for the content. So in content, we want how to plan a course, comma, how to record the content, comma, and how to market the course. On social media. Okay. See, it is a very clear and advanced prompt. Now we are specific about what we want, okay. So just copy this and paste it here. Hit enter. Now let's wait for the reply. Here, it will give us a complete blog post as the output. So we have got a detailed output here. You can see it says here's a step-by-step guide on how to create an online course, including planning, content creation, and marketing. So you can define your course goals and audience at the very first step. Okay, then outline your course structure. Select your content format, like it could be video, lectures, presentations, written materials, audio recordings, or a combination. Right? Then you can create and record your course content. Then you have to choose an online course platform. It has also explained some of them, like Teachable, Thinkific, or Udemy. Right? Then build your course. Upload your recorded content to the chosen course platform, organize your lessons, set up quizzes, assignments, etc. Then you have to set pricing and payment options. Then you have to create a course landing page. It is a very important part, okay? If you want, you can also ask ChatGPT to give you a script for your course landing page. Okay. And at last, market your course on social media. Okay. It is very important to know that where your target audience is active, whether it is Facebook or Instagram or LinkedIn. Right. So you can see how good it is when you are sure about what you need. Okay, so let's see one more example, and let me create one more advanced prompt. So let's say this time our topic will be how to grow YouTube channel. Okay, and we need ChatGPT to write a blog post on the above topic. Okay. And while writing blog post, ChatGPT must use, let's say, H2 tags. Okay. Give some examples. Then ask questions. And at last include conclusion. Okay. So just copy this and paste it. Hit enter. And now again, let's wait for the reply. Okay, you can see it says title How to Grow Your YouTube Channel Strategies for Success First. It's giving us the introduction. Then it says create high quality and engaging content, right? Then it's using the H2 tags as we have asked it to do so. Right. So you can see quality content is the key. Consistency matters. You have to use effective title tags and descriptions. If you don't know anything, just ask ChatGPT to suggest some of them. Okay. Then select the proper thumbnails and video length. Engage your audience. It is a very important thing. Okay, so by responding to the comments you receive from your audience, you can encourage interactions. You can also collaborate with other YouTubers as well. Then you can promote your channel outside of the YouTube. Like you can use the power of social media, okay? Or you can collaborate with influencers and bloggers. And at the end, we have got the conclusion, okay. So see, it has provided us all the things which we have asked for. Okay, so this way you can use ChatGPT to get what you are actually looking for. Okay, so suppose. Let's say this one third point. Suppose you are not able to understand what ChatGPT is suggesting you to do. Okay, in number 3. So you can ask ChatGPT to rewrite number 3 in very simple terms. Hit enter and now ChatGPT will rewrite the same thing, but this time in a very simple way so that anyone can understand it easily. Okay, see, it says connect through comments and interactions. Team up with others so you can see the language it has used. When we asked to rewrite it in a simple terms, this time it is very easy to understand. Okay, so if at any point you are not able to understand the reply of the ChatGPT, you can ask it to rewrite it the same thing in a very simple terms.